Hello and welcome back to Oracle DB online training. So today we will be looking at how to install Oracle 19c software on Windows 10, and then later we will be looking how to connect using SQL Developer 19.2 to the database. Okay, so before we begin, I will be requesting you to subscribe my channel Oracle DB online training, and on this channel you will be learning a lot of Oracle database technology related stuff. So from the beginning, you can understand how the Oracle database architecture is, and then later you can understand how to perform different installation like Oracle RAC database installation. Then later you can understood how to perform the Oracle database patching, and maybe in upcoming videos we'll be creating many such interesting videos. Okay, so before we begin, I will be again requesting you to subscribe the channel so that you can keep on getting all these updates. So coming back to our today's agenda is that how to install Oracle 19c software on Windows 10. So first we need to visit to the Oracle website. From there I will just come to the database and under that technology, and from there we can see this Oracle database 19cd data 19cd download for Windows. Okay, so from there we just click on this. There will be a multiple softwares that will be available related to 19c for Windows. Okay, 19c. So basically we will be choosing the one which is related to DB Home. So from the click on this software and just click agreement license, and then it will start download. Okay, we need to provide the credential, login credential for Oracle software download. So once you will provide your login credential into Oracle website, so it will pop up for the download location. So now I will select this location. Okay, and under this location it will start downloading. So within 2 to 3 minutes, or depending upon your bandwidth of network, it will download all Oracle database software. So once it is downloaded, then we'll proceed further for the installation and other stuff. Okay, as our download is completed, now we'll go to the download folder. So this is my Oracle 19c Windows software that we have downloaded just now. It is about almost 2.89 GB. So what we'll do, and we'll extract this file. Okay, we'll go to this location and click on extract to Windows. This, and it will take 1 minutes. So let it finish, then we'll proceed further for the Windows 10 installation. And before let it this extraction complete, what are the minimum requirement that we need to check before the installation? So this is the highlighted minimum requirement. So minimum we will require a 2 GB of RAM, 10 GB of free hard disk drive, and either of the processor Intel or the AMD will work, and then a display card of minimum 10024 into 768 pixel, and then a 16 GB of a swap will require if okay. So these are the minimum requirement that we need to go through, and once our extraction of software will complete, then we'll proceed with the installation. Okay, so guys, as this is a getting unzipped, so I will be requesting you to check the description, and I have shared all the links from where you can download these softwares. And if you will be interested in my documents, you can ping me in the comment box. I will be providing all the installation documents, and by referring those documents, you can very easily install these softwares on your laptop machines. And okay, since I hope you are enjoying these videos, and if you haven't watched our previous videos, just go to my YouTube channels, and definitely you will be getting some very good helpful documents videos. Okay, so keep watching and keep learning. Meanwhile, this next unzip complete, and then we'll proceed with Windows. This 19C software installation on Windows system. Okay, so almost it is completed. Yeah, it is finished now, and we'll very good with the installation process. So there is one file called setup.executable. Okay, successfully we have unzipped that download that we have downloaded from the Oracle websites. So what is the next step that we need to do is we have to right click on this folder and run as administrator. Remember, this is a very important step. You have to choose a run as administrator, otherwise you might be seeing some issues. So this is just started with the installation process. Setup.executable is executing, and now we can see the Windows, sorry, 19C software graphical interface is just pop up, and this is our first interface with Oracle 19C installer. So there are two options like create and configure single instance database, or set up the software only. So what we'll choose? We'll choose the create and configure a single instance database. And this option creates starter database. Okay, so we'll go with the next option over here. So it is verifying some Oracle home location and all those steps. So there are two options again, system class. So basically you can choose either desktop class or the server class. So we are doing this installation in the laptop, so I'll be preferring with the desktop laptop, this desktop class. Okay, just click on the desktop class and move ahead. Next one, you have to provide the Oracle home users. So either you can use a virtual account, or you can use existing Windows Server users, or you can create a new Windows user. So as you have selected this software installation using administrator, so in the background it will create a new Windows user by choosing this option. So I prefer creating a new user. Okay, so I just created a click on create new Windows users. Your password has to be a little stronger, so I will be choosing some different password. Okay, let me just get it again. So just choosing one password which is a little stronger one. So I think this time this will proceed. So guys, what we have done in previous few selections, like we have given a user creation option over there, and once that user creation option we have given, on the very next page it has asked me the Oracle data file locations, and what is the database type, like enterprise edition or standard edition. Then at the end it is gone with a summary page, and once you have clicked on install option, so this process has initiated, and currently we can see this is in progress. Okay, so it should not take much time, and depending upon your laptop speed and configuration, it will be slower or the faster. So this is so our installation process is in progress. So I guess our setup is completed. Now it is going with the database creation option. Remember, we are installing Oracle 19C software on our Windows 10 laptop, and this is very simple process. Basically, you need to just download the database software from Oracle websites, and once you have downloaded, we need to just extract that software files, and later we have to just click on setup dot executable, and using the right administrator. That is important thing that you need to remember. And once you have selected run as administrator, it will initiate your installation process. And by selecting few configuration detail, user detail, or and then database name, enterprise edition or standard edition, so it will initiate your installation process. And this is very simple task, and it doesn't take more than 30 minutes. And I will suggest all the whoever is interested in in doing the installation on Windows 10, they should try at least once, and you'll definitely get the confident once you will do this installation on your on laptop. Okay, let this installation finish, then we'll discuss further. Okay. So guys, we can see this Windows Oracle 19c installation is in progress on Windows 10 laptop, and this is the currently software configuration is done, and now in the background it is copying database files, as we can see from the detail. And I guess now it is creating a database and copying the files, data files. So this should not take much time. Let's wait for a few minutes more. So now we can see the database installation is successfully completed, and we are almost done. So using this Enterprise Manager Express URL, you can connect to your console for monitoring of your database. And that's it, guys, for the installation. Now we'll look at how to connect to the database using SQL Plus or the SQL Developers. That are the different options that we have. Okay, so one at a time. Let's look on this path. Okay, what I will do, I will go to my this tab, and from there I will be just going to the location, and it is giving me some. So first we'll close this installer, and we have pasted this enterprise URL, and under this you can go to the advanced options. From there you can click on proceed to the local host, and here we have to provide the username and password. So we'll try with system user, and we'll provide the password, and now we'll try to log in. So we can see this, the interface is there. So basically our database name is ORCL, and it is on 19.3 database version. And from this you can look at the database performance also, and what is the status, like since when it is up and running. All those status you can get it from this location also. And then there is a performance tab is also here, and from here you can look at the activity and services. And then you have for different other component like monitoring the resources, host CPUs and active sessions on your database, what is the current memory utilizations and data storage. Okay, these steps you can, once your database is active for the uses, then you will keep on getting all the top SQLs on this tab. So using your Enterprise Express Manager, you can monitor your database. This is one of the tasks that we are covering in this tutorial. And the next thing that we can do is we can using the CMD, we can connect to the database. So what I will do, I will type the CMD, and using the SQL Plus prompt. So by default it has all the informations. So it will connect to your database underscore mode from log underscore mode from the $database. So you can see your database is up and running, and it is its name is ORCL, and it is currently read write mode, and no archive log is enabled. Okay, so This is the simplest thing, because by default when you install your database software on Windows laptop, Windows system, so it will have all the entry in its registries. From there, the command using the command prompt, when you will log into your database using SQL plus utility, and slash is your like Windows authentication. As a sysdb means you are authenticating with the sysdb privilege. So using SQL plus is a sysdb, you are connected to the sys privilege user. So user, if you find, so you can see sys user, we are connected with the sys users. Okay, and this is your database name. And so that's it, guys. This is a basic connection through their command prompt using SQL plus. And next we can try with the SQL developer. So I will try SQL developer, and I have previously installed the SQL developer in my database in my laptop, and now we'll be connecting to the database using the SQL developer. So it is 19 to 19.2 version. So from here we'll connect to our newly created database software. Okay, so I hope you are understood how to like download the Oracle 19c software and install on Windows 10 server. And now our first next task like connecting using SQL Developer. So we just started our SQL Developer, and it is currently 19.2 version. And from here, what I will do, I will click on the connection tab over here, or you can go to the this section called database connection. From here also you can connect to the database. So click on create connection manually. Okay, so from here what you have to do is you have to provide the connection name. So what I will do, db connection connect underscore test. Okay, and you have to select the database type, and it is a default one only. And next you have to choose your username. So I will choose my user as a sys, and role as a sysdba, password as a sys. And it is on localhost, since we are installed our 19c software on localhost machine. So it will, by default it will choose the localhost entry only, and the default port for the listener is 1521, and sid will be like orcl. So we'll try to test this connection. So it is successfully getting connected, and once again we have to provide the password since we do not save that password. So we are connected with database. So what we'll do, we'll execute this command show users, so we can get the output as a user is sys. Okay, this is, that means we are successfully connected with database. One more thing we can do is select name comma open underscore mode comma log underscore mode from $3 database. So using this command also we can cross verify the name of the database. Sorry, $v database, this is wrong input that we have provided. Because of that it has got failed. So now what I will do, I will re-execute this command, select name open. So this is the name of my database, this is read write mode and no archive log, and my user was sys users. Okay, that means we are successfully completed a connection test connection from using your SQL developer to your 19c database software. So that's it, guys. I hope you have successfully enjoyed this entire tutorial, and I hope you will be definitely be able to install 19c software on your Windows 10 machine, and later you can connect with SQL developer. And I will be requesting you all the new friends to subscribe my channels for keep on getting all the update. And if you have enjoyed this video, just click on like button, and share with your colleagues also. And have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.